In this video, we'll share 10 actionable tips for growing your YouTube channel and reaching monetization in just 1 month. Whether you're a new creator or have been struggling to gain traction, these tips will help you boost your channel's growth and reach the monetization threshold quickly. We'll cover everything from optimizing your videos for search to building a community around your content, and provide practical advice that you can start implementing right away. Don't wait months or even years to start earning money from your YouTube channel. Let's get started and unlock your channel's full potential today. You'll learn how to create compelling content that resonates with your audience, optimize your video titles and descriptions for SEO, and use social media to promote your videos and build a following. We'll also cover how to engage with your viewers and encourage them to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as how to use analytics to track your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for growing your YouTube channel and reaching the monetization threshold in just 1 month. Get ready to take your channel to the next level and start earning money doing what you love. 1. Define your niche. Before you start creating content, it's important to identify your niche and target audience. This will help you create content that resonates with your viewers and stand out from the crowd. You'll want to think about what topics you're passionate about and have expertise in, and what types of viewers you want to attract. This will help you create a brand identity and messaging that will attract the right viewers to your channel. 2. Create compelling content. To grow your channel, you need to create high-quality content that people want to watch. This means brainstorming video ideas that are unique, relevant, and engaging. You'll want to script your videos, plan your shots, and create visuals that will grab your viewers' attention and keep them watching. You'll also want to make sure your videos are well edited and polished. The more you put into your videos, the more viewers will want to come back for more. 3. Optimize your videos. You can't grow your channel if people can't find your videos. To optimize your videos for SEO, you'll want to use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. You'll also want to use eye-catching thumbnails and make sure your videos are properly categorized. The more you optimize your videos for search, the more likely they are to show up in search results and recommended videos. 4. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is key to long-term growth. You'll want to engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and even featuring viewer-generated content in your videos. This will help you create a sense of community and loyalty around your channel, and keep viewers coming back for more. 5. Promote your videos. To reach a wider audience, you need to promote your videos on social media and other channels. You'll want to create a social media strategy that targets your niche and engages with your target audience. This can include posting teaser clips of your videos, engaging with fans, and even running ads on social media to reach new viewers. 6. Collaborate with other creators. Collaboration can be a powerful way to grow your channel and reach new viewers. You'll want to find other creators in your niche and collaborate with them on videos or cross-promotion. This will help you reach new viewers and build relationships with other creators in your community. 7. Use analytics to track your progress. Analytics are essential for understanding your audience and how your videos are performing. You'll want to use YouTube Analytics to track metrics like views, engagement, and watch time, and use this data to identify areas for improvement. This will help you create better content that resonates with your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. 8. Experiment with different formats. To keep your channel fresh and engaging, it's important to experiment with different video formats and styles. You'll want to try new things like live streaming, Q&A sessions, and even vlogging to keep your content interesting and engaging. The more you experiment with different formats, the more you'll learn about what works best for your channel. 9. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to growing your channel and building a loyal audience. You'll want to create a content schedule that works for you and stick to it, even when life gets busy. This will help you stay top of mind with your viewers and create a reliable source of content that they can depend on. 10. Keep learning and improving. The YouTube landscape is always changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. You'll want to continue learning and improving your skills as a creator, whether that means taking courses, attending conferences, or just staying informed about industry news. By keeping up with the latest trends and continually improving your content, you'll be well positioned to grow your channel and reach monetization in no time. By following these 10 tips, you can build a successful YouTube channel and reach monetization in just 1 month. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.